Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Cancer Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is moving in your second house with Mercury in the sign of Leo. Second house deal with your family lineage is seen from second house, your wealth, your family's teaching is seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habit, and your mouth region is also seen from second house, your wealth related matter, your money matter, your saving, your bank account, your wallet is also seen from second house. So right now your second house Lord is moving in your second house, and also Mercury, your 12th house Lord and third house Lord, is also moving in its retrograde motion. Means right now Mercury is in retrograde motion in your second house. So we can expect in the month of September you may have some gains related to money from foreign land or some foreign currency, because your second house Lord is moving in your second house, also 12th house Lord, which control your foreign settlements related matter. All the things related to foreign is seen from 12th house. Right now moving in your second house, in the house of saving, in the house of bank account, in the house of money. So we can expect positive result regarding your money related matter in the month of September. Also second house will be your family related matter. So we can also expect you may have good result regarding your family members related matters in the month of September, especially before 17th of September, because Sun will stay in your second house till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your third house in the sign of Virgo, where Mars is already moving. So after 17th of September, we can expect you may have to deal with communication related matters regarding your cousins, regarding your childhood friends, regarding your neighbors and cousins, because Sun will be moving in your third house after 17th of September. Also Mars is moving in your third house, means your 10th house Lord and your 5th house Lord is also moving in your third house. After 17th of September, you need to be careful regarding your communication related matter at your workplace and with your love relationship. Also, you need to be take care of your children's health if you have children right now, because your 5th house Lord is moving in your third house and Sun will be moving in your third house after 17th of September. Mars also represents anger and Sun deal with your ego. So we can expect after 17th of September you need to fear ego related matters, because Sun and Mars both the planet will be moving in your third house. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of September for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. As we discussed previously, Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house, and right now Mercury is moving in your second house. You may have some gain related to money in the month of September, especially before 15th of September, because Mercury will stay retrograde in your second house till 15th of September. After 15th of September, Mercury will turn into its direct motion in your second house. That's why we were saying in some sections you may have some gain related to money from foreign land, especially before 17th of September, because Sun is moving in your second house and Mercury is also moving in retrograde motion till 17th of September, and Mercury will turn direct on 15th of September. So we can expect positive result regarding your money related matters and your saving and your family related matter in the month of September. After 17th of September, when Sun will move to your third house, then you need to be take care of your saving, your money matter, because your house of because 12 control your expenses and losses and will be moving in your second house. So you need to be take care of your expenses 15th of September, when Mercury will turn into its direct motion in your second house. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of September. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now Venus is moving in your first house, means Venus is right now moving in your ascendant. First house deals with you, your personality, your all the aspects of your life seen from first house, your fundamental nature, your fundamental needs, your fundamental thinking pattern is also seen from first house. 11th house deals with your elder siblings, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your gains is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes, and your fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. 4th house deal with your mother, your relationship with your mother is seen from 4th house, your property matters, your conveniences related matter is seen from 4th house. Vehicle and peace in your life is also seen from 4th house. So right now your 4th house Lord and 11th house Lord is moving in your ascendant, and right now Venus is moving in retrograde motion, means Venus will stay retrograde in your first house till 3rd September, as we discussed previously in Venus retrograde video. After 3rd September, Venus will turn into its direct motion in your first house. So we can expect good result regarding your money related matter, your gains related matter in the month of September. Also, you expect more positive result regarding your property related matter, your comfort related matter, and your mother's relationship and mother's health in the month of September, because your fourth house lord means lord and your 11th house lord is moving in your ascendant. The fourth house lord, which controls your property, your comfort in life, and also 11th house lord, which controls your gains and fulfillments of hopes and wishes, right now moving in your first house. So that's why we can expect positive result regarding your money matter, your gains related matter, and your property matter in the month of September. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Moon controls your first house, means Moon is your ascendant lord, and right now Moon is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Taurus in its exalted position. Moon gives very good result in the sign of Taurus. So the positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow, problem, difficulties, and issues are always associated from these houses. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. But Moon is your ascendant lord, and right now Moon is moving in your 11th house in its exalted position. So as we discussed previously in Venus section, you may have some gain, you may have some good result around 6th, 7th and 8th of September, because Moon will be in your 11th house in its exalted position. So we can expect good result regarding your health related matter, your personality related matter around these days in the month of September. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 3rd house in the sign of Virgo. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your children, your education. Early education is seen from 5th house. Till high school or college life is seen from 5th house. Your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your fiance, and your fun activities is also seen from 5th house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your work colleague is seen from 10th house. Your superior, your bosses, how much authority you will have at your profession, at your work is seen from 10th house. How much fame do you have is seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house lord and 5th house lord is moving in your 3rd house. 3rd house will be your communication skills is seen from 3rd house. Your younger brother, your younger sibling, your cousins, your neighbor, your childhood friend, your effort, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from 3rd house. So we can expect you will put a lot of effort in your work related matter, and you will also get reward of that effort in the month of September, because Jupiter is also moving in your 10th house with Rahu. So with Rahu, and Rahu perform very well in 10th house, and Jupiter also perform very well in 10th house. So we can expect in the month of September you may have to put a lot of effort at your work, and you will also get reward of effort in the month of September, especially after 17th of September, because Sun will join your 10th house lord in your 3rd house after 17th of September, as we can expect these results from all the Cancer Ascendant people from all the planets. In the month of September, we will have 4 major astrological events. As we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 2nd house to your 3rd house on 17th September in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 1st house in retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 3rd September, as we discussed previously in Venus section. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 10th house on 5th September 2023. Fourth and most important astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your 2nd house and will stay retrograde till 15th September, as we discussed previously in Mercury section. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.